Hello everyone. Here I am demonstrating how we can install a JDK Java Development Kit in an Ubuntu operating system. Here I am using the Ubuntu operating system in that settings there is an about is there. In that about you can see the OS name is Ubuntu 20.0 for LTS. That is the operating system I am using. Then operating system type is 64-bit operating system. That is the operating system I am using, that is Ubuntu 20. The version of the Ubuntu I am using is 20.0 for LTS. You can use any version like 14, 16, 18 or 20. 20 is the latest version of the Ubuntu operating system. Okay, this is the system configuration I am using. Then we need to install the Java. For installing the Java or JDK, we need to connect the machine into the internet, then only we can install the JDK easily in our machine. For installing, first we need to open our terminal window on the screen. Terminal, I think all of you know what is terminal window. You can open the terminal window by using, there is a show application icon is there in the show application icon in the window is there. Then just type terminal, then terminal will open. Otherwise you can use a shortcut key like alt control T, not alt delete, alt control T, then the terminal will open. Then before installing the JDK program in our system, we need to check whether the JDK is installed in our computer or not. That is, Java is installed in our computer or not, whether it is installed or not. For checking that one, you just type Java, then an hyphen, then version. This command is actually used for checking which version of the Java is actually installed in our computer. If it is not installed in our computer, it will show that a command is not found. Then you can install the Java using the following commands. Okay, if it is not installed in our computer, actually currently in my system Java is not installed. Here I am just press enter. After entering, press the enter key. You can see command Java not found, but we can be installed with the following commands. You can install the Java with following commands. Then for installing the Java, here I am typing another command, that is sudo apt install. I am going to install the version Java 8, that is open JDK 8 J. This is the version I am going to install in our computer, that is sudo apt install open JDK 8 JDK. Then after press enter key, it will ask for the password of the machine. Then password, after typing the password, then press enter. Then it will show some message, that is we found the package, do you want to continue. After the installation, this is the space, additional space, actually going to use this much space is needed to install the Java package in our machine. Do you want to continue or not? If you want to continue, just press SY, then press enter. Then you can see it's a working, 0% working. Based on the availability of the net, it will work very fastly. Net connect ആണെന്നുള്ളത് എപ്പോഴും എൻഷുർ ചെയ്യുക. നെറ്റ് കണക്ഷൻ അവൈലബിൾ ആണെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമാണ് നമുക്ക് ഈ ഒരു വേയിലൂടെ നമുക്ക് ജാവ നമുക്ക് ഇൻസ്റ്റാൾ ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് പറ്റുള്ളൂ. ഇത് ഒരു 1 മിനിറ്റ് താഴെയാണ് ആക്ച്വലി ഇത് ടൈം എടുക്കുകയുള്ളൂ ഇൻസ്റ്റാൾ ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണാം, ഇപ്പോൾ ഇൻസ്റ്റാൾ ചെയ്യുന്നത് കാണാൻ പറ്റും. This 92%, 94%. Actually, download is completed. Now the installation is started. The progress, you can see the progress, that is 24%. This is the installation stages of the Java. Let's wait for the completion of the installation. Okay, I think it's completed the installation. Just wait for the completion of the installation. Okay, then after completing the installation, again it will show the cursor. Then just type Java space version, then press enter. Then it will show OpenJDK version 1.8.04. then OpenJDK runtime environment is there, that is our operating system is shows Ubuntu 20.04. then OpenJDK 64-bit server virtual machine is also installed in our computer. This is the way we can simply install Java in an Ubuntu like operating system. Or we can check whether it is installed or not. Just type JA, then press the tab key, then it will automatically fill Java. This is another way we can check Java is installed or not. This is the simplest way for installing Java in an Ubuntu like operating system. Thank you.